Hello students, greetings to all. Now I am going to give a live demonstration on tuples in Python. Let us move on to live demo. Here I have taken Python Try It Editor version 1.0. This will be very helpful to execute your commands. In that first example, now I am going to print just a message. So how to print a message? Just copy and here I have to paste. In that print, welcome to SJC, Department of Computer Science. In that X variable, I assign Python as, in Y variable, I assign away sum. In Z, I have concatenate the two strings. Print Z. So what will be the output? Yeah, welcome to SJC, Department of Computer Science, Python is away sum. And let us move on to the next example. Now I am going to give different types of tuples. First, I used empty tuple. So empty tuple means here I am going to give my tuple of print my tuple. Okay. See the output. See the output. So my tuple is equal to open. So empty. There is no element available in that open bracket and close bracket. Okay. So this is an empty tuples. Now I am going to give tuple having integers. Tuple having integers. So what command here I am going to give? My tuple 1, 2, 3. Okay, my tuple 1, 2, 3. Here I am going to give my tuple 1, 2, 3. Print my tuple off. So if I am going to run, what will be the output? One, two, three. Just now I am going to change the numbers also. Now I am going to give 10, 20, 30. So what will be the output? 10, 20, 30. Yes. Okay. Now I am moving on to tuple with mixed data types. In that before example, I gave only the integers. Now I am going to give mixed data types. So what is mixed data types? In the data types here I have given integer, string and float. Okay. So here I am going to give. Now the first data is an integer. So I give 10. Here I am going to give SJC, CS, then 3.4. Now I am going to run a command. My tuple equal to 10 SJC CS 3.4. What will be the output? 10 SJC CS 3.4. Yes. Now I am moving on to the nested tuples. Just nested tuples here. Okay. Nested tuples. So now I am going to give my tuple. I am going to give my tuple mouse 8, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Print my tuple. Now I am going to run. What will be the output? See the output here. The same mouse 8, 4, 6 and 1, 2, 3 will display. So normally a tuple can also be created without using parentheses. Okay, right. Now I am going to give my tuple 3.4. Just copy and paste it here. going to run my tuple equal to 3 4.6 coordinator. So what is the output of that this command? 3 4.6 coordinator. So in the tuple we used unpacking. Unpacking is also possible. See that example. Here I am going to give A, B, C, A, B, C. I'm going to give A, B, C, my tuple. I am going to run equal to my tuple. Yes. What's the error message here? Set trace back. Most recent call of name error. My tuple is not defined. So here I am not defining any tuples. So now I am going to do. So my tuple see that example. Before I am not defined that my tuple. Now I initiate my tuple equal to 3 comma 4.6 comma double quotes coordinator. So here I have given several mixed data types. Okay, so variable A and B and C is assigned by my tuple. So if I want to print A, 3 will be displayed. If I want to print a B, 4.6 will display. If I want to print a C, coordinator will display. Yes. Now I am going to give how to accessing tuple elements using indexing. So I am going to give my tuple permit. Now I am going to give my tuple is permit. Control V. Now I am going to run my tuple is permit. What will be the output? Okay, let us move on to another example also. Now I am going to give my tuple of now I am going to run. Yes. So here in that my tuple, here I give permit, print my tuple of 0. 0 means P. Then print my tuple of 5. 5 means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a T. Okay, now I am going to give my tuple of 1. Okay, my tuple of 1, my tuple of 4. So what will be the output here? Okay, E and I. Yes, E and I will be displayed. Right. So now I am going to give a nested tuple. So how to give the nested tuple here? Now I am going to give control C. Okay, now I am going to run. So in the tuple here I give mouse 8, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to give the nested tuple print n tuple of 0, 3. What is it 0, 3 here? 0, 3 is yes. MOUSE. Yes. Print n tuple of 1, 1. What is it 1, 1 here? 1, 1 is 4. Now I'm moving on to the next negative indexing. See, we familiar with the negative indexing. Negative indexing for accessing a tuple element, we have to take my tuple, for example, my tuple permit. The same example here I have used permit. Now I am going to give print my tuple of -1. Print my tuple of -1. Print my tuple of -6. I'm going to run. What will be the output? My tuple of -1. The -1 is what? T. My tuple -6. -6 or P. Yes. Now I am moving on to slicing concept. You know that well known about the slicing concept. Now I am going to give my tuple slicing my tuple programs. Print my tuple of 1 to 4. So what will be the output here? 1 to 4. I'm going to run the query command. So 1 to 4. So first element and end with the fourth element. So normally we have to take the first element B and end with the fourth element. Okay. So R. So R O G. Now I am going to give print my tuple of -7. Now I'm going to give print my tuple of. Okay. Now I am going to run. So what will be the output of -7 here? -7 is what? In the backward indexing 1, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 means what? 2, 7. So the result is P and R. Okay, right. Now the element is, see that? Now I am going to give print my tuple of 7 colon. What will be the output here? 7 colon. What will be the output here? Print my tuple of 7 colon. So I is Z. So we have to take in P or O G or A M. I is Z only in this page. Okay, right. Now I am going to give print my tuple of colon. It's a very simple method. Simple query, simple command. Just be run. It shows that I is it. The same thing. Okay. Right. Now I am moving on to that how to concatenate two strings. Now I am going to do print 1, 2, 3. Just I remove this whole thing. Now I am going to run print 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6. The plus operator is we have to combining these two data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am going to add another number 10, 20, 30. Then we move on to 40, 50, 60. So what will be the output here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I am going to give repeat. So repeat, it's a very beautiful command. So how many times it displays here? Okay. repeat, Control C. Now I'm going to run. Repeat will be displayed at 3 times. Wait a minute. I will change the word. Josephine. So how many times Josephine will display? 3 times the Josephine will display. So here we have used some methods. So we have that my tuple of apple. If you are giving print SJCCX, it is an invalid syntax because here we are not assigning any tuples. So before we start that tuples, just we have assigning some variable, then only we execute that commands. I hope you understand that demonstration how to work on tuples in Python. Thank you.